How to fix OBS looking dull, gray, or washed out on PC. This tutorial shows you 3 different methods to fix color issues in OBS. First, open OBS on your PC and click on Settings at the bottom right corner. After that, click on Advanced from the left side menu. From there, look for Color Range and change it from Limited to Full. At this point, click Apply and then OK to save the changes, and check if the colors look better. In the next step, if the issue persists, go back to your Sources panel. Right-click on your source and click on Properties. Following this, look for the Force SDR option and enable it. Check if this improves the color on your end. Once done, if neither of those methods worked, go ahead and minimize OBS. From here, click on the search bar on your PC taskbar and type in HDR. At this stage, click on HDR settings from the results. Following that, you will see that HDR is currently turned on. Go ahead and turn it off. Finally, reopen OBS, and your video feed should now look completely normal, with no dullness, gray tones, or washed out colors. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix your OBS color issue, give it a like, subscribe for more OBS tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.